Halo guys, aku mau unboxing kaset Nintendo Switch. Ini dia Mighty Bell. They got Orbi. Can I open this? Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, we'll do is to lift it up here. Lift up here. It's kind of like a lot open. My paper. Yeah, I did it. What is that? Wait, I got Passing Inheritance, Crash Team, Racing Nitro Fueled. I did. This one's these are really silly. There's another one on the top. We can do there we go. It is now open. There's one last sticker over here. It is alright. Let's just have to be a new not extra stuff. Yes. I have to push the game out. I don't like what's the game for. No. Snake. No, snake. Oh, no, what? I have to shut you. There's a sticker. I'm still unboxing it. So there's another one. Oh, I did it. Got CTR. Crash Team Racing. And Animal Crossing New Horizons. Look at this. I got Animal Crossing and CTR. I'm so excited about it, but I don't know. Let's go and start this unboxing these game cards. CTR. Oh, I got excited. What did I really do? Oh, wait. And crashes back the driver. Start your engine. Start your engine. Yeah, I'm buying. And here it is. CTR game card. And what do we do? So I'm now on this Animal Crossing. Next is Animal Crossing. We'll just use my pencil. Use my pencil. I can use it for a pencil. Real scale. Thingy, we can open this. Oh wait, this is. Here we go, and we open it. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, there's still talking about. And then we'll open it. Free customer service if you need. And we check the game card. Oh, look at these games. What are we going to do with these now? We got CTR, Crash Team Racing, and then we got these both. Alright. Let's kind of start this. Let's go start with CTR. I got the Nintendo Switch. I got Crash Team Racing. Cool. Oh, no. But we have 2 game ports already. I just got CTR, but we still have Animal Crossing New Horizons. Is it? Alright, bye-bye.